You have an ant in your mouth.
Assalamu alaikum. What are you doing?
I was going by road. At that time, the rice had fallen, so I was picking. I am picking up some rice from road.
She is saying that I cannot leave the rice and that I need that rice.
I am suffering a lot, father. I broke my arm working in a factory.
What was you doing?
By working in a cement factory. My leg is also broken. There is no money to see a doctor. I don't know what to do. My forehead is bad.
Keep it here.
No, father, I have to go.
You tell me what you want, I will bring it.
I don't know what you will give me. I feel like crying. I have been hurt a lot, and still I am very sad. I'm still in a lot of pain. I had to leave work because I could not bear the sufferings anymore. I have worked in a very big factory, have done road cleaning, worked in agriculture.
Can't you go under the shade here? I am coming. You are sitting here, he bought new clothes for you.
Mashallah, very beautiful.
You come with me. Here potatoes, onion, oil, salt, rice and flour are all for you. What's your name?
Hassan Banu.
Hassan Banu.
Yes.
Well.
You have an ant in your mouth.
There is 40,000 rupees, you keep it.
I pray to Allah to keep you happy always. Keep your mother happy too.
Okay, now go. May Allah bless you always. Assalamu alaikum.